Encountering a no-signal message on your Spectrum Xumo box usually means the box isn't communicating correctly with your TV via the HDMI connection. First, ensure your TV is set to the correct HDMI input. Use your TV remote to access the input or source menu. Then physically inspect the HDMI cable for any damage or loose connections at both the Xumo box and the TV. A faulty or improperly connected HDMI cable is the most common culprit. If possible, test with a different HDMI cable known to be working. Also, quickly check for any dust or debris in the HDMI ports on both your Xumo box and TV. Compressed air can help clear this out. If this doesn't solve the problem, proceed to checking your resolution settings in the next section. If physical connections are solid, check resolution settings. Access settings, display resolution, and try 1080p or 4K based on your TV's capabilities. Ensure your TV supports the selected resolution and check overscan settings, as incorrect overscanning can block the signal. Make sure your Xumo box has the latest firmware by going to System Updates. These updates often include fixes for HDMI compatibility issues. If problems persist, use Spectrum's support app and website for real-time diagnostics via QR code scanning. If all else fails, contact Spectrum support directly.